Welcome to Review Rondo Tech YouTube channel. To get regular updates of our videos, kindly subscribe and tap the bell.
Introducing InTech, the first portable smart projector that projects in full 4K resolution. And yeah, it's portable, like put it in your bag and take it on the road portable. We're not just talking a projector. InTech is a full-on portable entertainment system, included with a stackable attachable speaker, Bluetooth connectivity, Wi-Fi capability, and even built-in storage. That means you can play all your favorite shows and movies whenever and wherever you want, all in crystal clear 4K. InTech is small, portable, and super easy to set up. It's a fully modular system, stacks seamlessly and connects wirelessly, which means you can break it down in seconds and set it up just as fast. Use your phone or the included remote to browse your settings and apps, or connect a device via HDMI. The omnidirectional speakers provide stunning sound all around, no matter where you place it. And 3D projection gives you a unique portable 4K experience. Best of all, InTech's stand allows you to swivel it seamlessly in 360 degrees and stand it upright so you can watch your favorite shows on the ceiling. No more craning your neck in bed. Watch your shows fully relaxed or enjoy a beautiful night under the stars. Whatever you do, wherever you are, whenever the time, you'll have crystal clear entertainment right beside you. InTech, 4K just got portable.